everyone, or welcome back to my channel. I don't know whatever time that you watch. So I know it has been a while since you guys last saw my channel. Honestly, because of the year end, I've been really busy with, actually I don't know, but I have so many videos for you guys. So just wait, and I hope you guys just stay tuned and keep on subscribing to my channel. I have a lot, seriously, like my trip to KK, my trip to, you know um other things, and how I did my journal, and then how I plan, and New Year resolution. There's a lot of things, but today I am dedicating this video just for one of my favorite Netflix series, which is Emily in Paris. And as you guys know, Emily in Paris came out last week, or last 2 weeks, I think, 1.5 weeks ago. And and Emily in Paris is one of my favorite drama. It's not actually drama, it's like more like rom-com. Anyway, it's I love Emily in Paris because it makes me feel young, and it has really nice fashion. Like, okay, don't judge by my t-shirt here. It's been a while since I last shot, but that doesn't stop me from buying Emily in Paris Starbucks series. Okay, later I'll do the unboxing because I didn't see. Thank you so much, Starbucks guys, barista, for taking the time to wrap it nicely. Okay, coming back for Emily in Paris. So I managed to download all my series because I have been traveling a lot, and that means marathon. And also it's like, because my colleague is like, oh, I already finished my Emily in Paris yesterday. I'm like, so I have to catch up. Okay, the reason is because, Emily in Paris and France, and then the food, and the I just love French food, and I really miss French food. It's been like like the last time I went to France is like many years ago. And Emily, I don't know how she make it, like, even though she works for a PR firm or marketing agency firm, but somehow her outfit I love. It's like, she's like, I don't know how she get, I mean, logically, can she afford all those clothes? Like, she really has all the nice clothes in that series. So I just love the vibrant of the city, the color. I mean, the executive producer is Darren Star, right, which is Sex in the City, right? And that's another one, like, back in the day when like, SJP was the star of Sex in the City. I can watch Sex in the City marathon, the movie and the drama series, like, forever, like, again and again, like maybe 10 times. So I saw, I think, how old was I think it was like 20 years ago, more than that, I think, for Sex in the City series. So, Kim Cantrell, Sarah Jessica Parker, and basically, um, yeah. So Darren Star was the producer back then, and also the producer for Emily in Paris. So kudos to Emily in Paris team, because they managed to, like, that for Sex in the City. So anyway, coming back to the objective of this video. See, I ranting again. And then the objective of the video, I wanted to do unboxing because I just came back from Starbucks. Well, okay, to be honest, I will never ever order gingerbread again. I think it's not suitable for me. And I think, oh yeah, I only drink Frappy, like, ice, during Christmas season, because they have like Christmas flavor, and I love Christmas. So Merry Christmas to y'all. Yeah, I think I'll stick to my toffee. Yeah, not gingerbread. It's different. Toffee or peppermint flavor. Yeah, I'll stick to those two. So hopefully those two flavor will be back again next year. So okay, let's do the unboxing, right? So excited. Oh, look, I have so many of these. Like, yes, I know in my previous video I said I will cut down on my spending and on my credit card bills, but I just love Emily in Paris. And when I walk into Starbucks to order my Christmas frappy, and I was like, I get, it's too cute that, like, I cannot wait, and I just have to get it. And the price, share, I bought this for 145. Yeah, for a small thing. I don't know, it's like if they partner with Thomas or other brand, because I cannot find. But this is so cute, and I have a lot of Thomas already, but because it's Emily in Paris, I just had to buy this. I said no, but I miss the Kate Spade one, but but look at this design, so cute, isn't it? It's cute, right? Cute, and it says here, oh, Emily in Paris. I know it's like the other side for you guys, and ta-da! Yeah, and it's just lovely. Then yeah, and the labels and oh yeah, sometimes I'm like kind of blur. Like I had to ask the barista like how to open, how to drink this. It's like you do this, then you drink. Like that's the unlocking mechanism there. Ta-da! Cute. Tell you. Then you can lock it back. Hold on. I get the original, like one of the old thermos, like Starbucks. Like that's like the old. Oh, the label came out. Hold on. Welcome back. So this is the Christmas edition also I got. I don't know what year was this, but yeah, the reason I had to ask like how to open because like you know like I'm a simple-minded person, so yeah, I don't know how to open it. This one is like this is the lock one, right? Thermos, right? After I go, so see, then you lock it. That's how you lock it. Ah. I have a bunch more, but I'm just gonna show the Christmas one because we're in a Christmas tis the season to be jolly. Yep. So yeah, I got a smaller size. I think this is like grande size. Yeah, 12 ounce. Yep, grande. Alright. I know venti is 20. Okay, so anyway, that's my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy my video. A lot more to come. It's been like so long since I really come out. I had so many unboxing, but still trying to figure out like editing. And I really want to play around with the Adobe Premiere Rush, but I'll talk about that later, and I'll talk about like how I do my planning, reset, how to be productive, even though I'm not that productive, but trying my best to be productive in the next upcoming video. And so I'll share my how to do the planner and the journal, bullet journaling and all that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.